Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create double photo editing in PicsArt application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my PicsArt application, and first of all, I'm going to add the background for my photo. I'm going to click on this plus button, and for example, I'm going to use this photo or this image as my background. Okay, and we can click on the add image option or add photo option. This one, click on add photo, and you can add your photo to the PicsArt project. For example, I'm just going to add wait guys, I'm going to add this photo to my PicsArt project. I'm going to make double photo editing with this photo. We can click on add, and I'm going to remove the background of this photo. I'm going to select cow dot, and I'm going to select this object. Okay, wait guys. Okay, oops, sorry. And we're going to click on this check mark, and now the background has been removed, and I'm going to place it right here. We can zoom in or zoom out. All right, and then I'm going to add one more photo. I'm going to make it double. I'm gonna click on add photo, and we can add the same photo. Wait, I'm gonna add the same photo as the photo I have imported to my PicsArt project. Okay, click on add, and then you can click on Kada to remove the background. Just do the same step I have told you before. You can select the object like this. You can select the area you want to keep, and then click on this check mark. And I'm going to place it right here. Actually, you can make it as creative as you can, guys. It's up to you. You can customize the photo editing as you like. And this is just for an example. And once you're ready to save the photo, you can click on this icon to save the photo to your device. Alright guys, and that's how we can create double photo editing in PicsArt. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.